Okay, my name is Sander and this is Khalil, the creator of this account. So, yun. Okay,
So what am I gonna do?
so I got a megalodon
Yeah.
from fish. I didn't get it, but somebody gave me. Let's take here. But today, we're going to sell it.
Bro, people think you are flex or something or some shit.
Okay, sell inventory. I mean sell this. It's 7,704.
Wait, block the hand.
So it's 13,000. We need 14,000 to get the 14,000 one.
Yeah, bro.
Let's go fish. Oh, I forgot fish. Ay, ako na nasa nasito na green.
And
Okay.
if we finish those, we will end the vid.
Okay, let's go.
After it's 1 second fish, we will. After it's 1 second fish, we're gonna end the video.
No. If we got
What?
14,000 and we buy the rod and we try to I forgot. We have to go to Rossless Island, but we have to fish. Go. Okay, we're here. So we have to get another boat to travel. Let's go. Pause the video.